We're not always blessed with weather like this, especially living in the UK. That's why we come to Portugal. However, we return for the winter months, and this year we're going to try something a bit different. We're going to make the most of the terrible weather in order to service paramotors and teach you how to do that. So if you're interested in learning how to maintain your paramotor, get in touch with us in order to book one of our paramotor maintenance workshops, which take place over certain weekends with Ricardo Maciel, who's one of the highest qualified Vittorazzi mechanics outside the Vittorazzi factory. Look forward to hearing from you soon.
So our workshop is going to be divided in two sections. The first one is that you understand a little bit more about the recommendations from Vittorazzi. Engine braking and warm-up, the most common problems you can have in your engine, fuel type and mixing radio, the importance of the propellant and how to make sure your belt is in the right tightness, rubber mounts, safety start, airbox filter, how to make sure all the bolts in your motor is tight and check with the torque wrench, and finally common problems and how to solve them. For the second part of our training, we're going to talk about the pre-check before you fly. First the cage, the engine, and then we're going to go to the harness and finally the reserve. You need to make sure you check everything perfect before you take off. I'm looking forward to see you. Please get in touch with us and book your spot.